Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I will show you how to remove and replace your sway bar links from a BMW E90. I believe this is made from 2006 to 2012, I'm not sure. And all you have to do is to remove the top bolt, this one. You'll have a nut right here. And after that you'll have to remove the bracket from underneath the nut. And when you're trying to remove the nut, if the nut is spinning with the bolt, you have to use a second key, a second 16 or 17mm key, I'm not sure. And you have to put it behind right here, and only after that you'll be able to remove the nut. And you'll have to do the same thing onto the bottom right here. It's the same thing. It's very easy. This job can be done everywhere, in your garage, in your parking spot, doesn't matter where. You just have to use some special keys and you'll be able to remove it. So this is our old sway bar link. As you can see, it's very loose and I already have a lot of play in them, and the car make a lot of sounds when it's passing over bumps. And this is our new sway bar link. The merch I'm using now, it's Terve. It's a very good merch and I recommend you to buy the same because they have a very good quality in the pieces. Okay, and to install it, I already installed them. I'm not going to show every single step because I don't have the space to put the camera here and show you. But on this car, and especially for BMW, it's very easy to install the sway bar links because you have a lot of room to work with, and you have to tighten the bolts with a normal key because in this way you won't destroy the threads. And I do recommend you to lift both of the wheels up because in this way you won't have any pressure onto the sway bar. And this is all you have to do in order to replace your sway bar links. It's very easy. Do not use an impact gun because if you use an impact gun you can destroy the threads. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below.